Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The last session saw the Bitcoin drop 0.3% against the dollar. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the oil gain 0.5% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
China's crude oil production, processing and imports registered strong expansion in August, official data shows. The country produced 17.47 million tons of crude oil last month, up 3.1% on year, according to the National Bureau of Statistics. India's goods exports are up nearly 53% in the last 2 years from a 4-year low of $292 billion during FY 2020-21. Thanks to the post-COVID surge in the country's foreign trade. The yuan's return to strength last week came after the People's Bank of China pledged to resolutely fend off risks of yuan exchange rate overshooting. The PBOC said that the country's financial authorities would take action when needed to correct one-sided and pro-cyclical behaviours.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US NAHB Housing Market Index will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 1530 GMT, the US auction at 1530 GMT. The US total net TIC flows will be released at 2000 hours GMT. Germany's German Buber monthly report at 1000 hours GMT. Canada's housing starts at 12:15 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.